Hello beautiful people, you're most welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Alright guys, please check below, you see the subscribe button. Please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you love this video. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make lemon oil. If you have been looking for an oil that you will add to your cream to brighten up your skin and make it smooth, this is the right video for you to watch. Alright, so guys, on this video I'm going to show you the proper way of making lemon oil that you are going to enjoy the benefits for your hair, the benefits for your skin. Let's jump right into this video as I explain more to you concerning lemon oil. Alright guys, so here are my lemons. Please don't mind the way they are looking. These are the kind of lemons you get here, unless you go to a very big store and buy foreign lemons. Otherwise, the ones we get here looks like this. So guys, the first thing I'm gonna be doing is to wash the lemons. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and grate. Lemon essential oil is astringent and detoxifying. Its antiseptic property helps in treating and clearing skin. Lemon oil also reduces excessive oil on the skin. Aside from the skin and hair benefits, lemon essential oil is typically used to ease stress, fight fatigue and insomnia, and address conditions such as acne, athlete foot, depression, warts, and variscose veins. In addition, lemon essential oil is said to stimulate the immune system, alleviate pain, and promote weight loss. To prepare this oil, you need coconut or olive oil. For this video, I'm going to be using olive oil. Olive oil has antioxidant content. Olive oil may help prevent premature signs of aging on the skin. It has vitamin content, antibacterial effect, moisturizing effect, and also an exfoliator. So guys, you're gonna add your lemon into this olive oil just as I'm doing now, and make sure the oil is just enough to cover up the lemon peel. So you're gonna put it in an airtight container to help it ferment, and you're gonna allow it stay there for 1 to 2 weeks so that the peels can ferment properly into the oil. 1 week later, I couldn't wait for 2 weeks, but you can wait for 2 weeks to get a more effective result. So guys, see how it's looking after 1 week. The lemon peel have really fermented into the oil, so I'm gonna go ahead and sieve. Note that lemon essential oil can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. When using lemon essential oil directly on your skin, it's important to stay out of direct sunlight for at least 8 hours and use sunscreen while outside to avoid sunburn. This oil can also be used to clear black patches on the skin, get rid of knuckles, and clear up every trace of it and any other place you want to brighten up on your skin. Alright, beautiful people, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.